Hi, Kathy here from KathysKuteKreations with my daughter.
Sherry, hi.
And we are doing the, as the crow flies, I was going to say the fly crows. The giveaway. Here it is, in case you didn't see it. Now, I have 27 names.
I guess that was my cue.
That's her cue to get that number thing up.
1 to 27.
Yep.
So there's 1 to 27. Aw.
I know. We have the little ones up here so he won't aggravate her, so he's at the bottom of the steps.
Yeah.
Aggravating all of us.
He's aggravated. Okay, so we're going to hit random.
Yep. And who is the lucky winner? The
Oops.
phone one.
What happened? Both of us. What happened? Of course it is.
Oh my God.
Sorry, guys. Ladies and gentlemen.
Can you get rid of the advertisement?
No, not yet.
Oh, it's one of those minute things.
There we go. No, we don't want to get it.
Okay.
There it is. 12.
Where do you see it? Oh, I see it.
On
12.
the top.
Lucy Scott. Number 12. Whoops. Do you see number 12? Right here.
No, I see the back of the notebook.
Lucy Scott. Email me at KathysKuteKreations at gmail.com. I'm going to take a picture at the very end and then stick that on there, because it seems to be that when I put it on here, it either fades out too fast or it disappears or something. I don't know how to control it.
What picture are you going to put up there?
I'll just take a picture.
Of what?
We can take a picture of that dog down there crying. Why not?
I don't know, but I didn't understand. What do you mean? You're taking a
I'll just
picture
take
and putting it where?
just a still at the fairy tale into this, so it'll have it on there. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
I think I understand. I'm tired.
See, if he was up here, we could have showed him. I want to tell you, he got his first little bath and shave back on, I don't know when, sometime last month in May.
Yeah.
Well, I wanted a summer cut, but they said for the first little clipping, you got to get a puppy cut. So I got a puppy cut on him. So they gave him this little red bow tie. A little ribbon was hanging down.
Oh my
Well, he didn't
gosh.
know it for the longest time. But by the time we got home, he must have felt it, because the next thing you know, boy, he's just pulling at it and pulling at it and pulling at it to get it off. I had to cut it off, but it was cute.
Well,
Yeah.
Henry was supposed to have his first cut and everything last Tuesday when I was off. Because I took him to get some more shots, but they didn't put him on the schedule, so he didn't get his cut. So he's supposed to go July 5th to get his first puppy cut.
And then we'll get a summer cut. But I don't think, because I looked at Bandit's ears, the little black tips on his ears, and I don't really want to lose them, so I'm not going to have them trim his ears at all. They can trim the rest of him, but not his ears. He's already lost, by having a trim in his face, he's already lost the two little black circles that were...
The mask is gone.
Yeah, that's gone. But he's still
Yeah,
got
it's
the
all
tips.
white, and he looks like surprised all the time. He does. It's so cute. And now Henry, he has big, thin ears, and they like flop back all the time.
Oh, yeah.
So cute.
Okay, Lucy Scott, I want you to email me so I can get this in the mail immediately, okay? So send me your email, and in your email I want your address, a telephone number in case they have questions when I'm down at the post office, because it never fails. They say, "Is that the correct zip code?" And it's like, I don't know if it's the correct zip code.
You say, it is.
I just give them what I don't want her package floating all over. So if there's any
She
questions,
won't give you the wrong zip code.
I've done that before.
You can always look it up too. You can Google it.
Oh my God, Google it. Okay, that's it. I just don't want to make this too long. I just want to get it out there so you know who you are. So get in contact with me as soon as you can, and congratulations.
Yes, congratulations.
All right, talk to you next time. So long. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Thanks for watching.